Majestic and close to humankind, the Peruvian pelican is one of the most recognizable seabirds in South America. Its heavy flight and imposing beak make it a symbol of resilience and adaptation. Yet today, it faces a crisis that threatens its survival. On the beaches of Peru and in places like the Carrillo's Pier, its presence is inseparable from coastal life. But in recent years, its population has drastically declined. El Niño, overfishing, and avian influenza have reduced anchovy, its main food source. Here, pelicans desperately search for fish scraps to survive. Fishermen and neighbors, in solidarity, share viscera and fish heads, becoming unexpected allies in this struggle for life. The Peruvian pelican does not dive from great heights like other species. It prefers to plunge gently or swim in groups, coordinating movements to catch schools of anchovy. Its instinct is so precise that fishermen watch it to know where the fish are. A relationship of collaboration passed down through generations. Each year, between October and April, pelicans form colonies on Guano Islands. There they build simple nests with algae and feathers. From 2 to 3 eggs hatch new generations that depend on food regurgitated by their parents. But the scarcity of fish threatens this vital cycle. Today, fishermen and coastal communities become guardians of this species. And at the international level, Peru, Chile, and Ecuador have signed an agreement to protect the Peruvian pelican, recognizing its ecological and cultural value. The Peruvian pelican is more than a bird. It is part of our coastal identity. With solidarity and cooperation, we can still ensure that it continues flying over Peru's beaches, and that its story does not fade into silence. The Peruvian pelican is not only a bird soaring above our skies. It is a symbol of resilience that has accompanied fishermen and communities for generations. Its struggle against the shadows of the past reminds us that nature is also part of our history. To protect it is to protect our memory, our culture, and the future of the Pacific.